everybody, today we're going to be reviewing the Flint-knock pistol. At first I thought it was Flint-lock, like the lock that you put in the key, but it's actually Flint-knock, like you knock someone out. So we're going to be reviewing it. Obviously there's the dummy right there. And I'm on infinity health, so he can't really kill me. We're going to be reviewing the gray one with wood, how many times it takes to defeat wood, brick, and metal, and then the green one's wood, brick, and metal. And then we are going to be trying to kill this guy and see how much damage he does head and how much he does body. So first we're going to do body, and we'll do 86 to body, depending on how close you are. Oh god. And to head, obviously, it's 172. So the gray one is pretty powerful. But now we have to see how many times it takes to destroy wood. But the thing about Flint-knock pistols, if you have more than one, you go ba ba ba. So I'm gonna get 1 and 5. So I'm gonna see 1, 2. Alright, it takes 2. And for wood it takes 2. For brick it takes 3. And I'm guessing for metal it takes 4 or 5 maybe. I'll just reload all my pistols. It does take 3 seconds to reload. It's just one shot, but it could be very powerful, especially if you hit it head 172. Yeah, it's very powerful, even with the gray. So metal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, just like I said. Now we're going to be using the green to try to defeat the next one. Oh. It does use sniper ammo, so it would be considered a sniper. Alright, so for body, it does 90, not 86, it does 90. And for, let's see how much it does head. Head, 180. You could delete somebody, even if they're not even full shield. All you gotta do is head. But the farther away you are, the less damage you can do. So, but the thing that you also could do is you could do this. Oh dang it, my thing's lagging. But you could go ba, ba, ba. It's like a million times. We could try to review that after we're done with this. Let me repair this. I don't know how that got broken. Alright, wood with green. It's probably still 2. This one's probably still 3. I don't know why I did this. It's probably the same. This one's probably 4. Now the only reason they're the same is because this only does about 4 to 6. So like average about 5 more damage. And obviously this has like 50. That one has 300. That one has 100. This one has 500. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it does take 4. It's the exact same. It's just it would do it would do the same amount of damage, but not to players. Alright, so my Wi-Fi is working, so I'm gonna try to show you guys the trick that you can do. So you can only do this if you have redeploy, because then if you have fall damage, obviously I don't have it, but if you have fall damage in the match, it could kill you. But hope you guys enjoy this one. But for the fall damage, if you are low enough and you could just boost yourself, you won't take any fall damage. So let's say you're all the way up there in the air, you're coming down, you're right here, just simple tap. You'll lose like 15 damage instead of dying. So, hope you guys enjoyed this one. I kind of like the Flint-knock pistol. I just think there would be better rarities which would be more suitable. But, hope you guys enjoyed this one. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. This is awesome. See you guys later.